Good morning students, welcome to our channel that is Learn with Pragnya Pandit. Today we are going to start our another unit that is ecology. We will start this session by studying meaning and definition of ecology. Student, while writing any kind of subjective answer, that is long answer about this concept, it is necessary to write this basic information about this concept, that is the meaning and the definition of ecology. Okay, so let's start. The term ecology was first proposed by a German biologist, Ernest Haeckel, in 1866. Okay, write down somewhere the year, that is 1866. The word is derived from two Greek words, oikos, that means a house and a place to live, and logos, that is the study of. Okay, so the word is derived from two words, that is first one oikos and logos. So this is known as ecology. Therefore, ecology is a study of organisms at home. How, when, all these things we'll study later while studying the entire concept. Next point. Ecology is mainly concerned with the biological connection and processes of organisms, land, water, etc. Okay. What we will study in this entire subject, in this entire lesson, that is, we'll study the biological connections and process of organism, process of land, process of water, etc. Got it? Okay. Next point. It can be referred as the scientific study. It can be referred as the scientific study of the interaction that determine the distribution and abundance of organism. I'll repeat this line again. In this concept of ecology, we are going to study scientifically the interactions that determine the distribution and abundance of organisms. So this is about the meaning of ecology. Now let's come to another part, that is definition. According to Webster's dictionary, ecology is the totality or pattern of relations between organisms and the environment. Okay, so in short students, in this ecology concept we are going to study all the things related to organisms and their environment. Okay, so Webster says that it is a pattern of the relation between organism and the environment in which these organisms live. Okay, very simple. Just read this sentence again, you will definitely understand. Okay, for E. Haeckel, okay, this Professor Haeckel says that it is the science of relation between organism and environment. Okay, so we are going to study these four definitions. All the professor says that ecology is a study of organism and the environment in which they live, but they put it in their own specific way, in their own unique way. So Professor Haeckel says that ecology is a science of relationships, of relation between organism and their environment. Okay. Now Professor Taylor says that it is the science of all the relations of all the organisms in relation to all the environment. Now what is the difference between all these three definitions? Webster says that it is a pattern. Haeckel says it is a science. Okay, and Professor Taylor says that this is a science of all the relation of all the organism in relation to all the environment. Okay, they study this for all the organism. Fine. Next definition, according to the United States Council on Environment Quality, ecology is the science of the intricate web of relationship between living organisms and their non-living surroundings. Okay, I'll repeat what they say is ecology is a science of the intricate web of relationship. Intricate web of relationship means they all are interdependent. Okay, between all the living organisms and their non-living surroundings. Living organisms and non-living surroundings. Okay, while writing your own note, underline this point. Got it? So read these 4 definitions neatly while studying on your own, and then write any 2 definitions which you feel easy to remember and easy to write. Okay.